Hello. It's a video. Hello. We're in the car. I'm trying to find my highlighter.
Look at our really cute jammies. They have monkeys on them.
Courtesy of Jennifer.
Say hee hee. Haha.
I like how that's laughing.
Yeah, but it's...
Wait, do you have half highlighter?
No.
Oh.
Yes. I don't really know. Alright. Wait, you have to tell us what we're doing.
We're preparing for a TNT camp and working on my
Stuff. To keep it in a wrap.
Oh yeah, stuff. And we're waiting for our food.
And coffee.
Yeah, and toilet paper.
Okay. And aluminum foil. Alright. Wait.
Well.
Okay. That was us.
A little update for you.
Okay.